Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to change username in Payoneer. First, log in into your Payoneer account, and here on the top right side you will find your profile. Just click on your profile name, then choose settings. Go to profile settings. Here you will find your full name, email, and all your data. Simply I will click on edit, and here you should request name change. So just click on this option right here, and now you have to choose the reason. So here you have the legal name change or error during registration. If you have legally changed your name into other name, you just have to choose this option. And if you just had a small mistake while registration, let's say wrong spelling, or you have added an extra letter, you just have to choose this option. Once you click on this option, you will have to click on submit. It will take about 5 days till they review and reply on your request. Then they will send you a message to your email, and they will give you a form so that you can enter your new username and change it. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.